Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to share a YouTube video at a specific start time. Here are the steps to share a YouTube video at a specific start time on a Windows PC. Open your browser and go to youtube.com. Search for and open the video you want to share. Play the video and pause it at the exact moment you want it to start from. Right-click directly on the video screen. Click Copy Video URL at current time from the menu. The link is now copied with a time tag. Open a messaging app, email, or document where you want to paste the link. Paste the copied link by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard. When someone clicks the link, the video will start at your selected time. Tip: this method is ideal for sharing precise moments and longer videos. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.